As you probably know, there are a ton of brushes that come with Procreate, from painting to calligraphy to textures to even luminance, which gives you some really cool effects. You can use those with brushes, the smudge tool, and the eraser to choose different tools for your different needs. But you can also install third-party brushes. Some of these brushes are free, some of these brushes cost money, and you can easily find some by searching the internet. One place I like to go is procreate.brushes.work. They have free brushes as well as pay brushes. And I'm going to show you how to install a brush in this video. Now you can choose to get paid brushes, you can choose to get free brushes. This site has a fantastic selection of free brushes as well as paid brushes, but I'm going to look at the free brushes right now. And I'm going to scroll through until I see one that I might want to use. There are brushes that can be rubber stamps, such as hands. In this case, on the one on the right, there's some eyelash brushes. I've seen animal parts be brushes. So you can use really anything, these Halloween themed brushes. And there are pages and pages and pages of brushes. As you can see, 35 pages of brushes here. So I'm just going to pick one. And I'm going to pick this line art pen. I'm going to tap it. And it'll say download brush set. And it might be different wording on different sites. I'm going to download it. And it'll ask me if I want to download. I'm going to say yes. And up here next to the address bar, there's a little arrow that comes up with downloads. I can see the brush right there and that it's been downloaded. I'm going to tap it. It sends it straight to Procreate. And if I go to my brushes, somewhere in here will be that brush. There we go, simple line art. So sometimes it shows up at the top of the list. As you can see, some of these brushes I have here. Some brushes show up in imported down here at the bottom. And the little kind of Procreate logo shows you that it's an imported brush. Now once you have the brush in, you can draw with it like normal. Acts just like a normal brush. If you don't like the brush, you can delete it by swiping it to the left and hitting delete, and that brush will be gone. You can also, if it's a set of brushes like these lashes up here that I have, I can tap on the name of the brush set and then choose delete if I want to get rid of it and delete it. Or I can delete individual brushes from within the set. So like I said, you can buy brushes, you can download free brushes. There's a ton of free brushes and pay brushes out there to explore. I will put a link to the site I showed you in this video in the notes for this episode, and I hope to see you next time.